Shubham Singh, the man whose efforts are leading him and his organization to become a hope for several poor students, started off as an engineering student at BMS College, Bangalore. He started working on Gramiksha since his first year of engineering, and he balanced the two with great success. He believes that when purpose drives passion, one finds a way to make things work. His initiative Gramiksha works to enhance the quality of education in government schools with less fortunate students by assisting teachers with learning models, equipping students with critical thinking skills, and overall development. Shubham would often help a few poor children with their school, and he soon realized that small efforts from the youth of a country can have a great impact on this cause. On 30th August 2011, in the city of Gwalior, he formally registered Gramiksha to reach more and more students. It was after his first school visit in a nearby village that he, along with his small team, knew that they had built something great and there was no looking back. The road to success was not easy. Official registration processes led to fighting off first-hand encounters with corruption. Finding the right people was a challenge because while people wanted to do social work, no one wanted to commit to it. Founder Shubham Singh found his way around the issues because he had his eye set on the target. Now, Gramiksha has a team members from different backgrounds who bring various perspectives to the table. A passionate and ever-growing army of youth has joined the cause. Government resources are utilized in the most efficient way, and a two-way learning environment helps Gramiksha improve its efforts in improving education. Moreover, Shubham found unparalleled support from his family while everyone else backed out. Today, Gramiksha has reached more than 3,000 students in more than 30 schools and is currently operating in 6 cities. They have 950 fellows enrolled with them and helping them grow every day. The NGO has started incorporating important factors in education like health and wellness, street education, and several extracurricular activities. Wherever may the interest of any student be, every student has certain benefits from Gramiksha's efforts because of their holistic approach. Gramiksha started focusing on student-centric solutions, helping them realize